Rubber plays an essential role in the story of the Gumiimpex GRP company. At the very beginning of this story is a tyre, for vehicles which require tyre assistance. Due to the demand, on April the 20th, 1970, Rudolf Kiric rented the space of the old blacksmiths in Varazdin and opened a tyre repair workshop, which later grew into the family company named Gumiimpex GRP. Even in those days, his entrepreneurial spirit led him to expand his business to new services and products based on rubber. In the mid-1970s, he moved into his own space, where he slowly but surely expanded his business and grew the number of employees. Over the years, Gumiimpex GRP continued their great efforts to become a regional leader within the tyre industry, which the company is today. A crucial element was to establish a quality and long-term partnership with customers and suppliers, and equally ensure a standardized high-level quality of tyre products and services. One of the main goals is to ecologically recycle all waste tyres and turn them into usable secondary raw materials and final products made from rubber granulate. By systematically investing in new technologies and knowledge while respecting the principles of environmental protection, and by creating quality and creative human resources, all parties are satisfied: customers, suppliers, employees, owners and the local community. The Wheel of Time brought numerous episodes in growth. Starting with tyre fitting services, Gumiimpex GRP has for years invested in new business premises and new production capabilities.
Postigli smo u tom dijelu, ja mislim, ono maksimum koliko se dalo napraviti. Cijeli moj vijek se sastoji u tome da ulažemo u proizvodnju, u napredak ljudi i u te nove tehnologije, gdje danas moramo biti vrlo zadovoljni sa postignutim šta imamo. Možda smo mogli i više, ali mislim da smo mogli i puno manje. Do dobrog uspjeha ima puno varijanti kaj se priča, ali najviše zasluga mora biti puno rada, puno volje i snalaženja.
Today's production consists of classic presses for rubber products, production and service of conveyor belts, rubber pipelines, valves and tanks for various media, and industrial rubber rollers. There is also the production of polyurethane products, seals for hydraulics and pneumatics on sealed jet technology, production of flat gaskets on gasket jet technology, water cutting, tyre retreading according to Michelin and Goodyear licenses, the production of high series products in injection molds, the development and production of tools and molds in our own CNC toolbox, and the production of large-sized rubber products. Gumiimpex GRP also has a state-of-the-art laboratory for the control of input raw materials and finished products, as well as its own mixing plant for the production of raw mixtures manufacturing rubber technical products. The distribution includes 2 state-of-the-art tyre fitting centres in Varazdin and Zagreb, a modern 12,000 square metre logistics centre with retail tyre centres, including state-of-the-art B2B and B2C tools. There is also a long-standing partnership with the world's largest tyre groups: Goodyear, Bridgestone, Hancock, Michelin, Continental, Pirelli, BKT and Petlas. Logistics are organised with delivery of goods to the customer within 24 hours, sale and distribution of AdBlue, as well as other goods, ENA oils and lubricants, SKF product range and Loctite products. Recycling includes the collection and ecological recycling of all waste tyres in Croatia. With an amount of 25,000 tonnes per year, this is used for the production of different types of rubber granules for various products, the production of final products from rubber granule, the dyeing of rubber granules, and the construction of sports fields and playgrounds from rubber granules. Gumiimpex GRP also produces electricity. The company built 5 solar-powered plants with a total capacity of 4 megawatts, firmly proving to be a green-oriented company. Over the past 50 years, the business has expanded over 3 locations with more than 50,000 square meters of office space on a total area of 120,000 square meters of land. During this period, the company grew from just 1 employee to 400 employees, making Gumiimpex GRP the largest and most significant rubber manufacturing company in Croatia. For 20 years, export has been focused on countries of the European Union, with 70% of the total production for markets in Germany, Austria, Ireland, England, the Netherlands, Sweden and Slovenia.
Posebno želim napomenuti da smo ponosni na sve svoje djelatnike koji su svaki u svom djelokrugu rada doprinijeli razvoju i rastu Gumiimpex GRP-a. Na tome im iskreno zahvaljujem. Isto tako iskreno zahvaljujem i svim našim poslovnim partnerima, posebno kupcima i dobavljačima, koji su godinama uz nas i koji nas prate sa svojim poslovanjem. U ovih 50 godina bilo je različitih situacija, bilo je onih lijepih i onih manje lijepih. Zahvaljujući partnerima, Gumiimpex je kroz sve te krize prošao dobro i na kraju krajeva izašao iz njih još i jači. Želja i cilj nam je da i u daljnjih 50 godina budemo poželjan partner, da ulažemo i dalje u razvoj firme, te da budemo na korist zaposlenicima, partnerima i cijeloj društvenoj zajednici u kojoj živimo i radimo. Još jednom hvala na proteklih 50 godina tvrtke Gumiimpex.